So they mash up Jamaicans' food basket. Then give you money, say a compensation. What a bait them throat give you, man. But would I love for Jamaica take the bait and use it back on them and catch them as the fish. So you see, as soon as we get to war, we just say fuck off with them. Remember good now, man, we know what we do, you know. Chumped if you really want do not need a country, you're so gladly for come help another country. We are not fool to war go on. And you see, Uno, we are talking about our plan for turn St. Elizabeth in our city. Jamaicans, you so bold it is in front of the face. Them have to destroy the country, destroy the parish. We have provide Jamaica with food so them can do what them want to do. So you see that them are force we to stop eat where we grow and take off on our roots so them can input all of what them want to come kill we off. Remember good now, man, the money and just come say, you know, the money come with a whole heap of pain and sacrifice. I'm not going to talk about what reached the country already, but there's more to come. So when you feel like so we are going to just get them money and all is well, the money sign off. People sign off with them money. So you see the money when the money take, I tell you now, whole heap more things is out there to come to Jamaica. I can tell you that, brother. I see as somebody jump up and say, yeah, we vote for all the right Prime Minister. Because I move towards or reach the hospital and them thing, the fucking idiot. All if me and you are the Prime Minister a morning, that are the first thing we have to do. And that are the first thing we are going to do. All a little baby we are 1 year old with that know that and move to that. It's not no if, nor but, nor maybe. That in the books written. You have to do that. You have to move to that. So I want a second guess and a second thought. You see Jamaica, you see on the brain, I saw on the brain small. Now some set of fucking idiot dog. You don't understand nothing will reach you know. You can't see nothing will reach you know. Remember now, man, the storm did plan. The plan was for the storm to move through Kingston and fuck up and go through, you know. But watch what I go on. You can't fuck up Kingston and St. Andrew. I have some move this at the city. Most of the rich people, everybody there. You go fuck up Jamaica and you go fuck up our part of the plan too. So they have to change it, make it take a different direction. And the plan was wipe out Jamaica food basket. Remember good enough people. Right, and you come like say all 1 tomato good a gone all 5 bills. And this how food them come from, you know. I tell you that, you know, bro. And the man them fuck it up. And the plan is now for turn St. Elizabeth in our city. Yo, I don't know why I'm tuning in. I don't know when you're going to wake up and understand what really I reach, you know what I do. I don't know when you're going to see what I reach, you know what I know. You see me? But I'm glad one and few people out there understand what happened. Fox News when you can't fool with either, you know. Why are one of the last flight coming in the country, then airport lock? Eh? Ah boy, look go on, man. The whole lot feel like say yo, we are all away out here fool, you know. You see me? I just show enough of we not have now that choice. We have to sit down and watch you and do no fuck with them. You see? But the whole heap on we out there go like you a fool and I play dumb. I get fucked, man. I can tell you that, man. That depend about Prime Minister this and Prime Minister that and go like you a fool. We have some lab rat out here. I'm telling you that. We have some lab rat out here. The man them now stop test pan you know. Cause them see so now some fucking dumb animal. Shall know you. Pray for you still, you know. Pray for you. You know when you now go wake up and see what go on. St. Elizabeth people, I tell you now. I wipe them don't plan for wipe you know. I reset them and try put Jamaica upon. I tell you know that. I want to provide a lot for the country. And them fuck you know. So I say for now I love them same way.